my name is Lindsay Wallace, for those of you who don't know, and for those of you who do, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my slick back bun routine. Well, basically how I do that. And I learned how to do it properly and probably one of the best ways, if not the best way, while I was in the military. So this is a military approved hairstyle. So to start off this style, you're going to need a couple of things. Some gel. I use the Eco Styler gel. Edge control. I use the True Edge Controller Extreme Hold. It's in the scent strawberry. Strawberry? Yeah, strawberry. A brush, an edge brush, a spray bottle, and you'll also need something to wrap your hair up. I don't wrap my hair up anymore when I do my slick back buns because I'm never going anywhere where it needs to be that perfect. But if you do wrap it once you're done with this style, then it's gonna be perfect. It's not gonna move, it's gonna stay in place all day. You're gonna be looking fluffy. Okay, Miss Thing. What we're gonna do is first take down our hair, of course, and then you're gonna grab your spray bottle. It's dripping down my face. Oh, it's dripping down my shirt. Okay, so take your brush and brush in that water, and make sure to brush your hair down until it's smooth. Like, don't skip out on the brushing, don't get lazy on the brushing. It's like probably one of the most important parts. And if you do find like a little bump that won't go down, then just grab your comb and try to comb it back. Actually, I'm gonna use my diamond brush, but back here I have a couple of them that are being bumpy, so I'm gonna brush it with this brush in order to smooth that out. Next, you're gonna need some gel. Smooth that through your hair. Make sure to put some in the back. Now take your brush again and make sure that it's nice and smooth and flat. Okay, so there's a couple of ways that you can make the bun part of your hairstyle. Sometimes I like to do a sock bun. Sometimes I like to do the little twisty one and you wrap it all around, but that's the ugliest one in my opinion. But today my curls don't look that bad, so what I'm going to do, I'm pulling my hair through once and then twisting, pulling my hair through twice, then twisting, pulling my hair through for a third time, then twisting, and then now on this fourth time we're not going to pull our hair all the way through, just about halfway, like so, and then just pull your curls around in the back. So that's what it's gonna look like in the back. And then in the front, we've got to do our edges because we're not walking out the house looking like this. Let me tell you something. I got nails on right now, so what I like to do is I use a comb part to grab some edge control. Then I put it on the back of my hand as if it was some concealer or something. And I go ahead and start rubbing it on here. Alrighty, so for my military girls, this right here is the end of the style. And I say for my military girls because I believe that for the hairstyle, it has to encompass your whole head and all of your hair. But now that I'm out of the military, what I like to do is pull a little bit of hair down, which don't get me wrong, I did that in the military too. But if you do decide to do it, one, do it at your own risk because your chain of command might come for you. Two, make sure it's just a very little bit of hair and that it shrinks up into the smallest little curl so that it's barely noticeable, but like, you know, the right person might look and be like, girl, and you're gonna be like, oh. Put some water on it, curl it, and make it look hella cute. Make sure to smooth that edge back down a little bit. All right, and now for everybody else, this right here is the finished style. Edges are laid. The back of my bun looks amazing. I'm still in my pajamas, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through the rest of my morning routine because I haven't done anything. I got up and decided, let me brush my hair for this video. So let me brush my teeth for this video because I know y'all can smell that breath. Y'all said, ah, that shit hot. Yeah, it's hot. Alrighty, also at this point, all I really need to do is get dressed. I've washed my face and brushed my teeth, and I did my hair with you guys, so you know what it is. But I am going to go ahead and head to the store, which I'm gonna start in a new video because I've been craving In-N-Out. Except, if you guys didn't know, I love to cook. So I have tried In-N-Out twice now, and both times that I tried it, well, the first time I thought it was really great, but the second time I was like, it could use a little bit of help, not too much. So I'm gonna keep it remotely the same, but I am gonna change up some things. So if you're interested in watching that, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell notification to always stay in the know and up to date on all my videos when I post them, as soon as I post them. That video for my In-N-Out burgers and fries are gonna come up soon, so don't miss out. Make sure to like and comment on this video, say what's up, how are you doing, whatever, you know, like, let's keep up with each other. We're a community, you know what I mean? I've been saying this for the last couple videos. We're a community. And you know what else? I love you guys so much. I love you so much. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye!